Every AI tool has the same weakness. Ask it about your own company or your own documents, and it either makes things up or gives you something generic.
Your AI assistant is basically a confident liar in a nice suit.
Every AI tool has the same weakness. Ask it about your own company or your own documents, and it either makes things up or gives you something generic. So I spent the last 3 months connecting Gemini and NotebookLM into one system, and that problem disappeared. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact setup so you can build the same thing and start getting answers that are actually grounded in your own data.
Ask it about your own company, and it'll either make something up or give you the world's most boring generic answer. It's not the robot's fault. One robot can't do everything. So smart people make 2 robots become best friends instead. And this is the exact skill people are paying for right now.
The problem with using any single AI tool for serious work is that you're always making a trade-off. Gemini gives you live web access, a 2 million token context window, deep research, and integration across Google Workspace. But it pulls from general knowledge, which means when you need precision on your actual documents, it can drift. NotebookLM is the opposite. Its default mode is to work strictly from the documents you give it, which means every answer is grounded in your actual sources and nothing else.
But before the robots can shake hands, one of them needs a backpack full of secrets.
The first step is building your knowledge base in NotebookLM, because everything that follows depends on having documents you can actually trust. You open NotebookLM, create a notebook, and upload the documents that are relevant to your current project. These can be PDFs, Google Docs, slides, YouTube videos, websites, or audio files. The free tier gives you up to 50 sources per notebook, 50 daily chats, and 3 audio overviews.
You open NotebookLM, make a notebook, and stuff it with your docs, PDFs, even YouTube videos. Now it only answers from your stuff. No making things up. And the best part, it points its finger at the exact page it got the answer from. No more trust me bro energy.
Which is enough for most projects. Once your documents are uploaded, you can ask questions about them the same way you'd ask a knowledgeable colleague who's read everything. The difference between asking NotebookLM and asking Gemini or ChatGPT the same question is that NotebookLM cites exactly where it found each piece of information. You click a citation and it shows you the specific passage in the specific document. There's no guessing whether the AI made something up because every claim traces back to a.
But this honest little robot has one big weakness, and that's where his best friend swoops in.
That matters most for this system is deep research. You give Gemini a research question, and instead of answering from memory, it plans a multi-step search strategy, executes it across the web, evaluates what it finds, and returns a structured report with citations. A question like, what are the 3 biggest risks to our market position in Q3, comes back as a full report with sources you wouldn't have found manually.
Gemini doesn't just answer, it goes on a research mission across the whole web and brings back a full report. Ask it something huge, and it hunts down sources you'd never find yourself. It even remembers how you like things. It's the nosy, genius friend who knows everything.
Gemini also learns from your past conversations over time, which means the more you use it, the better it understands your preferences, your industry, and the way you think about problems. And because Gemini integrates natively with Google Workspace, it can pull context from your Docs, Drive, Gmail, and Sheets without you having to copy and paste anything. If you ask, what did our team discuss about pricing last month? It can search your email threads and shared documents to find the.
But one robot's honest and one robot's smart. So what happens when you make them hold hands?
It's the other. The practical workflow looks like this, and you can set it up in about 10 minutes. Start with NotebookLM. Upload the documents that form your project's foundation, the things that are true and stable. Product briefs, research reports, strategy documents, internal data. Anything that represents verified information you want the AI to work from. Then move to Gemini.
You start in NotebookLM with your trusted stuff, then send Gemini out to explore the big questions. Whatever Gemini finds, you toss it back into NotebookLM. Now every answer is smart and true at the same time. It's a little loop of genius.
Use deep research to explore the questions that your documents don't answer. When Gemini's research surfaces something valuable, you bring it back into NotebookLM by adding it as a new source. Now your notebook has both your internal documents and the external research that's relevant to them, and every question you ask gets answered from both layers at once. But the part that surprised me is what happens when you run the loop in the other direction. If NotebookLM identifies a pattern in your documents that you want to explore further, you take that finding.
But doing this from scratch every single time? Exhausting. Unless you build a shortcut.
The weak point in most AI workflows is that every conversation starts from zero. You explain who you are, what you're working on, what tone you want, and what format you need every single time. Gem solved this by letting you build specialist personas that remember their role, their rules, and their context across every conversation. For example, you could build a gem called Strategy Analyst that evaluates business scenarios.
Gems are like robot employees who never forget their job. You set one up once, like a strategy helper, and it remembers its rules forever. Open it, give it a task, and boom, it's already up to speed. No more repeating yourself like a broken record.
Finds opportunities, assesses risks, uses clear frameworks, and supports recommendations with citations. Once that gem is set up, every time you open it, the context is already loaded.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
You don't explain your company and you don't specify the format. You just give it the task and it runs with the same reasoning pattern every time. I have separate gems for client communication, quarterly reporting, and competitive analysis, and each one is connected to the relevant NotebookLM.
But all this genius is stuck inside a chat box. So how do you get it into your actual work?
Enters your workflow. The reason this system works better inside Google's ecosystem than anywhere else is that Gemini doesn't just generate output, it generates output inside the tools you already use. When Gemini drafts a report, it can write it directly into a Google Doc. When it summarizes a meeting, it can update your Google Sheet. When it identifies an action item from your email, it can draft the follow-up in Gmail. This means the insights from your NotebookLM research and Gemini analysis don't stay trapped in a chat window.
Gemini writes straight into your Google Docs, updates your sheets, and even drafts emails in Gmail. No more copy-paste gymnastics between 10 tabs. Your research, writing, and results all live in one happy place. It's like your robots got hired and started doing your homework.
They flow directly into documents, spreadsheets, emails, and presentations without you having to copy and paste between tools. The practical impact is that context switching drops significantly. Instead of researching in one tool, writing in another, and storing in a third, everything happens inside the same environment. Your research, your analysis, and your output all live in the same place.
And once these two robots are working together for you, you've got a skill most people don't even know exists yet. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contacts. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.